Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox. And if you're new, welcome. Today I'm unboxing for you my SCT Sampler. And the theme is beautiful. All right. I was wondering if the February 2023 collection would be Valentine's themed. And let's take a look and see. Oh, Bella Pops, nice. So we've got some Jen Hadfield, some Bella Blvd, and the Bella Blvd is Our Love Song Collections. That is super cute. And then the SCT Beautiful Word Die, which is always very nice. And we also have some stamps, and the stamps come from, SCT as well. Beautiful sentiments. Collect, friends, be your own kind of. Nice inside and out moments. It's pretty. Okay, so we have some pieces of ephemera. This is the Jen Hadfield. Oh, it's a mix actually. Ooh, I like those. Those are cute. Oh, so lovely. So Jen Hadfield Starburst collection. I don't know either of these collections, so this is something new. Really like the colors of that. Okay, well actually, so it's obvious now to see this is clearly the Bella Blvd. And here are the papers, black. And it's so pretty, very colorful, very vibrant. Ooh, very nice. Cute. And this will be the last page there, like those rainbows. And then these will be the Jen Hadfield papers. Definitely muted colors. Oh, there's lots of them. These ones have a hard, for a second they felt a little thicker, but actually this feels thin. Not thin, but thinner. Okay, so we gotta look at this. That is so cute. I love those stamps. You can see Fussy cutting those out. Is this the B side? I betcha that was the B side. Oh, polka dots. They're balloons actually, but very pretty. So now I can tell what goes with which collection. Sort it all out. Those hearts are that kind of shape and little flowers. So yeah, so that is the sampler. So a lovely array of papers, and you spin me right round. Little roller skates, love you more. You up on my chart, thank you. That goes down there maybe. These are really cute. So what do you think? How do you like this month's sampler? It's pretty, and all the colors that I like. It's such a good value when you get, stamps and dies and these Bella Pops, like lots of fun things. I know someone actually that would like this collection. They love all these 80s type themed things. So thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in subscribing to this subscription, I can leave the links down below. It's from SCT Sampler, and it comes every month, and it's lovely to get a little package. I always look forward to seeing the envelope come in the mail. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.